Arvind invested during a good market phase and earned well. In the stock market, he invested, sir. That day, second time NDA came, stock markets rise like anything. Whatever he invested, he got 3x within just a short span only. Okay, but so Manoj invested, okay, in the share market, but in different time. Third time NDA came, at that time this person invested, but NDA not got full support. Okay, share markets are not up to the mark, moving slowly down. Current situation, share market is not up to the mark. Okay, then, so both people invested the same amount, but the time difference, one person got earnings, one person got losses. Okay, like, so not intelligence, it is a simple luck and unluck. Okay, risk and luck, that is the only thing. One person time is not favor, one person time is the favor. Okay, business owner example. Ramesh started his business during a booming market. He started a business in the booming market, grew very fast. He grew very speed. Suresh started during the recession, struggled like anything. Both worked very hard. Very hard. One got favorable luck, but another person got unavoidable risk. Okay, recession time he started, then his situation is very worst. Okay, like so. But anyway, one thing, continue your effort without thinking about outcomes. Someday, definitely, you are going to succeed. Okay, remember, that's also important point.